Alright, I think we're live. You think you're live? You think you're live? Yeah, I think we're live. Let's check out the stream dashboard. Okay, it shows me my views. Cool beans. Oh god. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Alright. What are we doing? Building a tech startup, of course. I'm building an app for college students. Is it a valid idea? No, not yet. But I set myself a challenge to finish before spring break, and today is the last day of spring break, which means today we will be finishing the functionality of this game, of this app. Therefore, we have to make this work. I left off last night working on the bracket portion of the game. So we add team names in, lol, Joe. We randomize teams if that was working at the moment. I'd made some changes, but yeah. Okay, so let's figure out how this is going to work in the database. Looks like it's not loading. Why does this look like empty? Oh, maybe it just has to be made bigger. Yeah, okay. That'll have to do. Okay. So each test house will have a games section, which will have the data, actually the type, and I guess we could have a teams field. Yeah, that's perfect. Teams. Yep, okay, that's fine. We'll have an array of teams. They'll be null for now or something, you know. Teams, because we don't have any items in it yet. Yep, okay, that's fine. And so the first thing we'll do is we'll make, every time we add a team, we'll add this to the database. We'll start off slow, you know. You gotta start off slow, you know. Update team list. So this is where we're working. So yeah, we're just working with random teams for now. So get the team name, trim the value, limit to 8 teams. Oh, yeah, we grab all the teams in this case. I was grabbing them from elsewhere too, wasn't I? Probably once we get into the function. Okay, here. Yeah, I was okay. Okay, so I was doing a team stop push team name. I see. Just every time I look over, I'm just making sure that a new viewer hasn't entered the stream or something, because that would be awesome. I wonder how live this actually is. Okay. Actually, okay. So if the team data matches our constraints, then we want to push this up to our database. So firebase.firestore should be auto-completing, yeah. Games, teams update. Is it update? Yeah, it is. How do they know, bro? I think that's perfect. Yeah. No. So games is a collection, yeah. And then data. Maybe that works. Let's try it out. So on our end here, let's just refresh. This is a long refresh. The stinkers and number one. Okay, we got the stinkers and number one here. Oh, but it does. It kept that null thing, but that's fine. Because, yeah. Okay, this is fine. I think at least. Can I, like, keep this empty? And then do yo or something like that? Yeah, okay. Okay. And then when I refresh, everything should be gone because we're not. So what does update team list do? That appends it. Okay, so this is what we are updating next. So then update team list, we'll just have a Firestore snapshot. Games data on snapshot. Bro, they know. Bro, chat knows, dude. Yeah, so data, is it only data? Yeah, sure, okay. Const teams equal to console.log teams. Oh. Team array. Sure, we'll do that for now. And then yo. Firestore? 659? Oh, I did firebase.firebase.firestore. Awkward. Did I do that? No, we have two yo-yo-yo's for some reason. Unless this is out of date, which it shouldn't be. Okay. Oh, I did. That's awkward. I wanted to console it like that. Okay, okay, we got the data. We got the data, boys. So then we're gonna do team array for each team. I don't really need the index, do I? Yeah, I don't need the index. Why didn't it refresh? Yeah. Okay. Number two. I'm him, bro. I'm him. Okay. We're not gonna add the ability to delete teams yet. Just because we're in such a rush. That's like a luxury. So, yep. Let's move on from that. This is all stuff like I think I'll need, but I don't know what uses shuffle array. Okay. These, oops. Not sure if it will be necessary yet. So this should run on click. All right. So where's the... Okay, here's the event listener for random teams. It just runs generate bracket. Okay. That's fine. So we can just keep everything in the function. Error bracket. Clear the inner HTML, which is good. Thanks, chat. ChatGPT, of course. Remove the hidden. And they don't have their teams. We can just get them. That's fine. On snapshot though? No. So I think what we will do is that we will make this a dot get it should exist, but I'll double check. Oh, and then we have to console.log the team array. So for randomized teams, oh, okay. Unless that's from, no, we should be good, So since we have a dot then in here, we have to keep everything within the dot then. Which is slightly annoying, but that's fine. It's not that deep. Let's make ourselves some space. Kinda need some water. We'll be back, boys. We're so back. My roommates actually just arrived, so I'm gonna go say hi to them. So I'll be actually back.
What's up? Hey, Vic. Look what I got. I got the food. You got shit too? Nah. What kind of told you?
Alright, I'm back. Still got 0 viewers. Love to see it. Maybe the old thumbnail was working better. Alright. So cool. Get rid of that. Let's just get chat on this, dude. Yeah, just mod to it. Fuck, that's just okay. One concurrent viewer. Let's go. Alright. So basically what I'm working on for the one concurrent viewer we have at the moment is an app for college students. Right now I'm working on the drinking game part. And oh, I hope you're still here. Damn it. Okay. We don't actually have a viewer. No, you're right. That's a good wake up call to like spur me to actually code. Does this code do the thing for me? Shuffle teams is equal to shuffle array. What's this ... teams thing? Oh, does that copy? What? What? Equal to 4, 6, 8. Then, so what if we do that ... lol? It makes a copy of it? That's cool. I didn't know that. You learn something new every day, chat. Okay, so it shuffles that array. We can just try this, dude. Let's just try running this. Let's just see what happens. Oh. Okay, looks like we're not running anything. Oh wait, random teams. Okay, that didn't go to plan. But we can edit this. Rate.length -1. This is so weird. Well, I guess no, that isn't weird. But swap elements. Okay, that's useless. So let's just write a run function. So okay, for anybody new coming on, I'm seeing some activity in the stream. We're building an app for college students. We have a okay, that's the most boring page, but we're offering a profile page, poop tracker with statistics, a beer tracker, a drink tracker, to be specific. I know it's just the same as the poop tracker. And what we're doing right now is we're adding functionality to this app, and then eventually we're gonna add Stripe to it, and I'm gonna sell this here at my university to fraternities and like other people in the dorms and other households that are interested in this kind of stuff, you know. And if you're asking if you're wondering if the idea is valid, not really, but you know, the challenge is just to complete something in a week, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, let's get rid of that. 4. Okay. Actually, I've decided I'm gonna use these functions. Create brackets. Oh. So I would like to see if shuffle array actually works. Dialog. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Couldn't spell there for a second. Randomize teams. Yep, okay. So it is shuffling the teams. Just have to double check, you know. And I also, let's talk about double checking. I want to double check that my audio is working, because I'm always self-conscious of that. Is everything's YT streaming right now? My audio's working? Yep. So I'm always self-conscious of that. Oh, we're working alright. Okay. Let's keep working. So yeah, this is shuffling our arrays. And generate brackets returns something really weird. Yeah. Yeah. To create brackets is weird. Push teams that slice. teams.length, teams.slice. I forget how slice works. Slice JavaScript. It's like something to do with the index, you know. Camel, duck, elephant. Okay, so it's the index. Oh, it's just the in and out points. Okay. Okay, so I think what it messed up here is that should just be 2, and then I think we're just good. Thanks chat. ChatGPT, of course. Yeah. Okay. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. Yes. I speak this way because the microphone's here. I don't know if you guys prefer this. I feel like you guys are like uncomfortably close to my mouth at the moment. So I'm not sure if that's the look, but yeah. Alright, I think last stream you guys were good off to the side, so I'll keep you off to the side and I'll up the gain on the microphone a little bit. Whew. Okay. So creating the brackets. Yes. Brackets that push, team slice. So let match. Yep. Okay, that's fine. If match length is equal to 2, yeah, sure. Else. Whoa! They're smart, man. ChatGPT's smart, dude. Okay, so now with that change, when we randomize teams, we should get an array with, yep, and they have a buy, then they're good. For our new viewers, we're making a tournament bracket. Just so you have a better view of it here. And when we randomize teams, we're trying to autofill the teams that people input from here. We're building an app for college students over spring break, so it's fine if it doesn't look great, and that's why I'm okay with like ChatGPT doing like most of this, because I'm just trying to get this done. Like, this has to be done tonight at whatever cost. No matter the cost. Okay, so what's next? So generating the brackets works. So that means we can teams is equal to that, and then we're kind of good. Okay. Feel free to like ask questions in the chat. I don't bite. And AI has generated most of this code for me because I'm on such a time crunch, so part of this is just me figuring out what ChatGPT did. I'm not sure what rounds does. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. So what is this right here? This is for each round. Is this the function itself? Yes. So that means theoretically speaking, if I copy this code into here, I can cure racism. Solve it if I must. Alright. Refresh. Oh, look at that, boys. Oh, look at that. That's functional. That's what I call functional, boys. Then the final wingers. Yeah, I gotta fix that, but. Dude, isn't that awesome? Okay, so now we should have to write everything to the database. Get rid of this to do. We done that thing. We don't need that. Get rid of all this clutter. Dude, they're using regex? I don't even know regex, dude. I never learned regex, dude. Like I just Google my regex if I have to use it. It's probably something I should learn, but Google's always going to be around, so like, should I take the time to do it? I don't know. Okay. So every time, so we can replace these push rounds. Let's just start by console.logging everything. Current round. Alright. Oops. Don't you hate when you click copy instead of paste? And then you got to paste nothing. And the finals will be the final match. And then we gotta console.log the champ. Right now I'm just trying to figure out the format that ChatGPT generated this code in. I mean, I can tell by looking at it, but I just want to visualize it. I'm a visual user. And instead of buy, I kind of want to. No, buy's good. So semifinals, they're just arrays. Okay. Match ID is champion. Teams. Final winner. Where's the oh, because it's not real yet, is it? It'll update once I update it. Right? Yeah, because we can only really push the we can only really push the semifinalists at this point, because those are the only ones that are confirmed. Therefore, let's get on that. So it's just a double array. Okay. So let me just try indexing this real quick. Final. Oh, nope, not the final match. Let's get the current round going. The first teams playing in the current round. Dot. Teams 0. Dot name, yeah. Cool beans. Not what I expected. Not exactly what I expected. Unless it just didn't refresh correctly. No, it did refresh correctly. How is this possible? Oh, unless... No. semifinals. Like, what is going on here? Alright, let's simplify this down a little bit. If I'm being silly, just like let me know in the chat, guys. Also, it's nice to see some friendly faces, friendly old names, you know. So what if we just index current round 0? Yeah, okay. And then if I index teams, yep, looks like we got teams there. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, that's good. Dot name. That should just work. Yeah, okay, so it's probably just being silly. So this means, now that we have this information, that we can do a Firebase store. Yeah. Data. How do we actually have this structured? Because chat doesn't get it right every time. Data. No, it's actually not data. We're using our own document called semifinal 1. Update. It's T1. And this is team 1. And then we'll just do T2. And that's all the information we have, so that's all we can really do. Then we do the same for semifinal 2. And that would be, let's change that to 1, change that to 1, change this to 1, change this to 1. And I think, oops, refresh the wrong site. Randomize teams. Oh, something was not happy. No document to update. That's fair. Not really. Oh, it's semi-final. Capital F. Don't forget it. No errors. Okay. Number 2 by and Yoi and Yoi. I think that's right. Yeah, Yoi, number 2 and by. Yeah, okay. Looks like we're going good. Get rid of this console.log. We're eventually gonna phase out this rounds thing, whatever chat gave me. So that's all we can really do right now. Yeah. Okay. So that means, yeah. That renders the bracket. Oh yeah, but then we have to populate stuff. Rounds, not push current round. So Okay. But then when I refresh this, it's gone. So we have to create an event listener on. Whew. Not an event listener, but just a snapshot, maybe? Yeah, that'd work. Ugh, I don't want to do this. Can I give up? It always puts an equal. I say it. I always put an equal. And this is all in the generate bracket thing. So we need something outside of generate bracket. Firebase.firestore. How good did we do? Games data. Yeah, okay. But it's not data. It is. Wait, no, maybe it is data. No, it isn't. Can you do a snapshot on a collection? Snapshots on a collection. Building a startup. I think that works better. Building a startup or fall asleep. Building a startup. What was the title? I'm trying to think of what my stream title should be. Because I think yesterday I had a really successful one. YouTube Studio. Sorry for the pause, boys and girls. And whatever else you might be. Streaming until I build my app or fall asleep. Now that's a title. Now that's a stroke of genius right there. Cool. Okay. So what's the key difference on a snapshot and a collection? Query snapshot object. Query snapshot object is much to match the query. Okay, that's fine. Okay. But the thing is, I don't actually care about. I just want to check if. No, 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 no. I want to grab the data folder. Okay, how am I structuring this actually? Data, teams. Started. We'll make that a Boolean. We'll make it false. So let's actually go to. Okay. So here I'm pushing. Firebase games.3. Sure, we can put that, but it's not the real case. Alright, let's keep going. .doc data .update. Do I update the data somewhere else? No, I just grab the data. So update. Can you update if something doesn't exist yet? Okay. .update. Yeah, okay, so we'll just assume that it will exist. Started will be true. Type will be not drinking. However, all right. So where's it getting its type from? Maybe once you add a team, you can specify the type. You know? I don't mind that. Because the data's there, right? No. No, I liked it how it was, actually. No, I don't think I will. Option, ugh. Crap, I forget how to grab a selected option. JavaScript. E.value. Okay, yep, that makes sense. Yep. Cool. That'll do just fine. If you haven't noticed, it's been a while since I've since I've coded in JavaScript on my own. I built a few apps on my own. Not like App Store apps. Like I want this on the App Store, but I've built a few web apps. So let's copy this code in here. Const. Let's make these consts. Get element by ID. What might that ID be? Game select. Do I have a game select event listener? I feel like I did, but I guess I don't. Game select, e.value, type, value. Type. T-select. Wait, I got 2 views right now? Like, I got like 2 people watching the stream right now? Like, for real? Or are you guys gone right now? I think you guys are gone. No, I think you guys are gone. Okay. So this means that, so right now it started as false, and type I want to make empty, but at the click of this button, boom, we have the type and we have that it's started. Whew, this is pretty awesome. This is freaking awesome. I'm gonna do some tasks. Only got $20 in my pocket. But you know what I actually really want in here? I want the type to be the emoji. Yeah. But that's a later problem. We're just trying to get done. We're just trying to get done. Yeah, so once we generate the brackets, this is doing its job. Of generating the brackets. Okay. Oh, so where am I saving the results? Because I want to save whoever got first place, and I want to save like what they got first place in. And that will go. Should I start a collection in data called? I should probably I'll do that. Start a collection called previous games. Winners. Auto ID. And then user test user ID 1. No, team. The phonies. Game. Pong. They die. So that's how that will go. Okay. There we go, boys. What time is it? 8:37. We can do this. We better do this. So now I gotta figure out how these final matches were calculated. I'm a little annoyed. Create highlight video? Whoa. I don't know if you can do that. Yo, clip it. Oh, it's got a comment on it. Who commented on this? Is it finished? No. It's not finished. We're finishing it now. Alright, let's keep going. We must focus. Okay. Okay, I see. Ooh. Okay. Alright. So for each round, add event listener to advance the team. Okay. So now we get to work an advanced team. array.from for each div. Okay, so they reset it and then they add the thing. So if the next match ID is empty, I'm so curious why these streams are getting no views. We'd made so many impressions. But whatever, we must stay focused. Because we still gotta do the poop tracker. That's gonna be a doozy. Even though it shouldn't be, it totally shouldn't be. If match ID starts with semifinal. Okay, so next round. Oh, so it's determining the next match ID. Okay, and then if it exists, I guess that's a good thing to check, but so here it pushes the team name. And I guess we should adopt their IDing system. Which is winner semifinal 1, winner semifinal 2, final winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Or we can just do a big if statement, of course. Okay. If we have to expand this if statement out. Next match is equal to semifinal. No, winner semifinal 1. Stupid AI. Don't know crap. Winner semifinal 2. That's what that just did. Okay, so we should be good. So now we know firebase.firestore.collections home. Ooh, yep. Is it semifinal one? Yeah, it is. Okay. Because we do have a. Do we have a winner thing? I don't think we have a winner thing actually. We do have a winner thing. Yeah. Okay. So then we do semifinal 2 update else if. Then we just, this is just the final. And the final does have a winner, right? Yep. Winner team name. Awesome sauce. We could honestly get rid of Team 1, Team 2. And just have the winner. Yep. Okay. It's fine with me. Null. Cool beans. So we're not like copying data to like different places. Oh, actually, no, yeah, we're good. Indian burns on a wee. Yep. So to advance a team, we're just going to do a set, and then we're going to do an event listener on the changes. Oh. How are we going to do this? Because we're doing... I could push the document ID to the... But I don't like doing that. Okay. The brain is starting to lose function. We have been streaming for an hour, just an hour. Therefore, I should be fine. Well, I'm not losing brain function. I'm just not cooking right now. So how do I want to do this? Because when we advance a team, I guess we should push the clicked ID. Maybe. We can actually view that ID. Let's just do that the easy way. ID equals. Oh. Wait. For real? Okay, they just made the ID the team name, which is goated. Because does this have an ID? Final winner. They should have an ID. The semifinal winner. Winner semifinal 1. Okay. Okay, we're back in business, boys. We never did anything with this Firestore event listener. So I forget what it was for, but oh, this was for the this is for the actual render the I think Docked update is not a function. That's what I thought. Oh god. Docs 0.data. Shit, are we cooking? Shit, are we cooking? Looks like we're cooking. Yeah. 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 Type on fudge knuckles. Now, do we know that data will always... Yeah, we do know, actually, that data will always be the 0th. The 0th. Tournament, or the 0th document, whatever. So, if data... Why is there no if? Oh, can we just generate bracket? Maybe. Wait, do we have a yo elsewhere? Oh no, this is out of date. You're a jerk. You're a jerk. Where's my yo? Where's my yo? Yo! There's nothing with 3 yos. Therefore, that baby's out of date, dude. That means yeah. That's what I thought. Okay, generated the bracket actually. Okay, that causes a lot of issues. It's an infinite loop, I see. Is the database spazzing? Yes. Yes, it is. Okay, how do I like kill everything? Just like breakpoint or something? I don't remember. Well, this is causing the issue, therefore I'm going to... Oh, it's because it's... Okay. Okay. Ooh, something just got graded. No, you gotta be joking. Alright, nobody's watching anyway. I gotta go talk to my friend. That's actually crazy. let's do this. Actually, we have no viewers. I might end the stream, to be honest. But it's like good. It's a good motivation to keep working, you know. Because if I end the stream, I'm not gonna do work, which probably isn't very good motivation-wise, but whatever. Okay. This is advanced team. Generate bracket. Are we like writing HTML here? Yeah. Oh god, this sucks. I'm like really not in the mood to do this right now. But we will push through. So render the bracket. Yeah, that's what we're trying to do. Okay. Oh yeah, and then cool. Ugh, I hate. Copy that, delete that. Paste that. Like it up. I'm like not in the mood for talking right now. Oh, my ass is not logged in, bro. Okay, so we don't have rounds, but so so instead of rounds, we will do from docks 1 to 3. You like it? Oh, okay. Come on. Focus. Yeah, so once I finish this, I'm definitely taking a break and then I'm going back to it. What is in docs.docs? Docs.data, basically. Okay. Splice? I think that might do the trick. Hold up. Exists. Okay, this can work. Oh. Yeah, I think that's exactly what I want, ChatGPT. Not sure what round index is. console.log round. Yeah, round index is not defined. Let's do that. Really? 791? Bracket containers not defined. Oh, probably created that in here or something. Or not, okay. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh. Maybe that map wasn't what I wanted. Oh no, it is. Except I don't get the benefits of... Oh, I don't get the benefits of reading the IDs. So this should return an object. It should have an ID. And it should have data. Okay. Ooh, my allergies are acting up. I have to take an allergy pill. Alright. So we got the round. We know what it is. Okay. So this is just determining what round it is. What the text content should be. So how we can check that is by checking the ID itself. Dot ID. I think that should work. Unless that's just an attribute. I forget names and crap. I forget how you do things. Is equal to semifinal. Yeah, okay. This is good. Round.data. Actually, it's too dangerous to, so let's console.log. Round.data. Okay. Whew. Oh, chicken. Can I do match index? Does it work like that? Console.log to match in the index. Ooh. Yeah. 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 Okay. For each? What do you mean for each is not a function, dude? How to use index in. I also kind of want to figure it out myself, but yeah, 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 yeah. I feel like this should work. Do I have to use function within it? Oh, I don't. I'm getting an error from this though. Why error? that's fair. I didn't actually read the error message. Okay, let's just create a for loop. For let actually, no, we're gonna have to do this. What about 776? We're already in a for each round. Wait a minute. What is going on here? What is going on here? Because we're already going through each round. Oh, now we're going to each match. Wait a minute. I think I'm being stupid. Okay. That should work, right? So I might actually have this all wrong. So we already got. Oh gosh. So we're trying to go for each match in a round, but everything we're returning right now is a match. Yeah, for each round. Yeah. Ah. Freak, dude. Did I push anything? $754. Okay. No, I think I need to take a break. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, stream's ending. Thanks for tuning in, whoever did. Goodbye.